We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year.
Now, I done had some people come to me and say, Mattie, how do I get thick? I'm ready to gain weight. I'm ready to have those curves that I've always dreamed of, but naturally. What are some ways that I can get thick and improve this body yaddy yaddy, this ASS, and everything, honey? And y'all know I'm here with the tea. Oh yes, I am. These are some ways to get thick. But first and foremost, y'all already know your girl ain't forgot. Make sure that you give this video a huge thumbs up. Also, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel down below and leave a comment. I don't care if it's just an emoji. Just make sure that you let your girl know that you stopped by. It helps the channel out a ton. If you have a friend that's constantly been talking about, I want to gain weight, I want to be thick, I want to be this, I want to be that, send her the link to this video. Send it. She'll love you for life. Send it right now. I'm gonna give you a couple seconds. Just take me a sip of water. Okay, did you send it? Okay, you sent it. Alright girl, let's get into the video. Now, as we all know, it is the thing to be thick now. They say thick thighs save lives. Thick booties make you a cutie. Okay, I don't think nobody said that. I think I just made that up. But anyway, that's neither here nor there. Today I'm here with a few tips that is going to help you to improve your body, to make yourself a thick dime, okay? Because we want to be a thick dime, okay? So here are a few tips that I have for you guys. First up on the list, I would say eat more, okay? I heard somebody come to me once and say, Mattie, how do I gain weight? I don't have much of an appetite. I was about to say I don't like eating. She said she doesn't have much of an appetite. How do I gain weight? Well, the thing with that is you really can't, okay? Your appetite is what really drives everything, okay? Especially if you have a fast metabolism, yeah, that's not gonna work for you. Make sure that you eat more meals. Make sure that you're eating more frequently. You can eat in smaller portions, but make sure that you're eating more than what you usually would so that you can consume more calories. Eat about 5 to 6 smaller meals during the day, and you may need to plan different times to eat even when you are not hungry. So let's say you're not craving a whole entire steak dinner. You might have to eat a little bit more than what you normally would in order to achieve your dream body. But in the end, it'll all be worth it because baby, you'll have that going. Now, try to eat foods with a lot of nutrients. I always tell people that the greatest way to gain weight is to gain muscle, okay? The reason why you don't want to go on a rampage with gaining fat is because when you start gaining fat, you're gonna keep gaining it, okay? And it's gonna go from being thick to just being fat completely. So wherever you're at, you have to maintain it, okay? So try to eat foods with more nutrients and keep a healthy fitness level along with this. This could mean incorporating strength training, okay, things like that. I'd say avoid cardio because cardio makes you lose weight, but if you put a little bit of strength training in, squats, things like that, this is going to help you to gain healthy weight instead of a fat weight. Something that I have always loved is smoothies and shakes. You guys, these are the go-to for gaining some extra weight. Try making yourself a strawberry banana smoothie, and I like to add in my favorite, which is macaroot. A little bit of this is going to help you to pick up some extra pounds and get you on the body to having a banging body. Did I say get you on the body? Get you on the way to having a banging body in no time. If you are someone who does work out frequently, try increasing your protein intake. You can add fish, eggs, or you can also add whey protein into your diet in order to increase those gains after coming home from the gym, or even you can consume a whey protein shake or eggs before going to the gym. And you guys, that is all the information that I have for you guys. I hope that y'all found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button down below, as well as subscribe to the channel, okay? It helps the channel out a ton. And leave a comment down below. I don't care if it's just an emoji, just make sure to let your girl know that you stopped by. I'm your girl Mattie, sharing with you amazing beauty tips, hacks, and tricks, and I hope to see you guys in my next one. Keep it locked and loaded right here because I upload a ton of awesome content, so make sure that you check out the channel, scroll through, click on some vlogs, click on some more beauty tips, hacks, and tricks, and I'm going to see you guys in my next one.